Doing a little food plot maintenance today. Just got my fencer hooked up, put my 3-wire around this 2 acres of sorghum, cowpeas. I've got alfalfa down here, and with more weeds in here than I expected. But there's sorghum and cowpeas in here. There's also soybeans, but the deer pretty much polished off all the soybeans already. Now, one thing to keep in mind that I forgot to do, these fencers come with a wall charger, and I didn't power it up before I put it on here. And the problem with that is, if you have the fence up and the deer get through it, then they're not trained to be afraid of it. So then they're really forcing their way through. But if they get zapped one time, they won't touch it. So this thing needs to either be set out in the sun for a day, on a sunny day, to charge up, or you need to plug it into the wall. So that's something to keep in mind. I forgot. Don't make that mistake. And as you can see, 3 wires. I put one on the outside at knee height. I don't get too carried away with measurements. But you can see this is knee height, belt height, and then the top of the post. That will keep the deer out. Now, I'm not going to leave it on all summer. I'll just wait until the plants get to the point where they can recover from browse. Soybeans don't recover well, but here you can see cowpeas are much better at recovering. So deer can eat the leaves off. See how they ate 2 sides off, and it just starts sprouting again. That's the beauty of cowpeas. Let's see if I can find a soybean for contrast. There's a soybean. It's actually looks like it's going to make it. You can see that they nipped off one side of it. But if they nip the terminal off, when there's just the 2 new leaves and then a terminal, if they nip that terminal off, that's the end of the soybean. It won't grow. Sunflowers too. That one they didn't get. This one they ate. They ate some of the sorghum already. They're not really supposed to like it, but they ate it anyway. There's a soybean. It's worn out. The other thing about cowpeas that's great is that it's viney. And when the sorghum grows up and the cowpeas take off and start vining up, they'll be as tall as whatever the sorghum is. And that's pretty cool. This will be good food and cover. Deer will probably just hang out in it. Everything will grow fine, and we'll be able to shoot some deer. There was 6 deer in the alfalfa last night in the evenings. One nice buck. So they're on it. You saw a nice buck on the other side of the property as well. So that's exciting. And I fenced off half of this field. I cut the corner off here because I wanted to see the contrast outside to inside. Stay tuned. I'll show you how that worked out. If you want help with your food, or your habitat in general, your forestry, or if you're looking for land to buy for hunting properties, give me a call. See what your needs are, and we'll help you out.